Are you the king of stock market? Welcome to Bangalore Trader YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share the typical journey of an amateur trader or the beginner trader. Initially, we also have gone under the same thought process, and this video is purely for beginners. Initially, the stock market will be very attractive, seeing all these results, ads, courses and big profits from the pro traders from YouTube. And they start feeling, okay, let me also enter into stock market and make some money. Initially, the stock market will give you returns. If, for example, if you're trading with 1 lakh capital with an leverage in an intraday, you'll be getting like some 3 or 4,000 profit. Then you'll start calculating, okay, 4,000, and if I trade for 20 days, I'll be getting like 80,000 profit. Wow, this is better than from my day job. And they'll start feeling, okay, the stock market is very easy. And they start trading without stop loss. And if they trade with stop loss also, they will be like keep lowering it. And they'll start buying all the penny stocks and thinking that, okay, if the stocks go just like 5 paisa up, I can make a good profit. Guys, remember, stock market is not a supermarket to buy shares and discounts. And you will start like withdrawing all the money from the loan applications from the mobile apps, and you will withdraw the money from the PF and put all your savings in trading, but still the stock market will give you returns. Then you will start feeling you are the king of stock market, and you'll start sharing with all your friends, oh guys, I'm also into trading, I'm getting a good returns daily, I'm making like some 2,000 or 3,000 profit, and that's very easy. As soon as the stock return for like 5,000 negative, you'll start feeling stock market is very risky. I don't want to be in intraday. Let me move to CNC because that is safer. I can buy share today and sell tomorrow or whenever it goes up. Then even though you'll go to CNC and you'll start buying the shares and without the stop loss, and even that goes 5 to 10,000 negative, you will start waiting for a YouTuber to come in the evening and explain about the stock, hoping the stock will go up tomorrow. And every night and day without sleep, you will start seeing all this comments from a moneycontrol.com, hoping, okay, the stock will go up tomorrow. And this, if the stocks goes like some 20,000 negative, then you'll feel, okay, it is very risky, let me exit. As soon as you exit, the stock will like pump up because you have exited in a wrong location. There was a good demand zone. Then you feel, okay, let me take some tips from friends or like YouTube and let me trade. Then you feel, okay, even tips is also not working. Let me learn the stock market or let me learn the trading. That is the best decision you have taken. But the challenge is you'll start like learning from YouTubes. There are like hell lot of courses, hell lot of channels, hell lot of strategies, hell lot of candles, hell lot of indicators, and you'll be confused and you'll be lost what to learn. Guys, remember, to be successful in trading, you don't need to learn everything. You have to be master in one single strategy. Just learn from other things, but master one thing and trade with one single strategy. That will give you a good returns. And please remember, initially no futures and options because the risk is very high in that. If you are also in the same journey, please consider subscribing this YouTube channel. Let's learn together. Let's trade together. Thank you.